Mistakes can often come from locking your cell references incorrectly with the dollar symbol. You may have forgotten to lock a cell reference, or you may have row locked it when you should have column locked it, or vice versa.
So here we're searching for yoga, and we're just using a basic index match function. So we're searching for the number of votes that yoga got, and we've correctly locked the activity list, but we have not locked the votes range, which meant when we copy it across or drag it across to the right using Control R, the votes range moved because we hadn't locked it correctly. So you should definitely keep an eye out for when you're building your formulas and think, I'm going to be dragging this across, so I need to make sure that this one's locked with F4, and I need to make sure that this range is locked, which it is. And do I want the A8 to be locked? No, because I want that to move over to Pilates when I copy it across. So now that we've corrected it, it works correctly.